What's Crackalacma Gamers? Today in this video, this is the Cuphead episode 5. I am sorry that I'm posting, but we're gonna finish this series. So first things first, for me this taco is I think I'm gonna go change these two sprites to something I would rather prefer. Okay, and we're back. By the way, I noticed some glitches in the code earlier when I was reviewing this. So here's what we're gonna do. So I noticed that with Pico, when he starts, his health is not set back to 3, so it's just at 0. And then and the so and the enemy he doesn't show when he starts the game. Okay, and I changed up the sprite a bit to be this like robot dude because I think I like that better than this taco wizard. And let's see if this works. Actually, you know what? For this, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna move him over here, and I'm gonna. Over here, the boss health resets, which is good. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, there we go. Just restart. Okay, there we go. Um, see if this works. He shoots these little electro bolts, and I set a different sprite for him that we can modify later. So let's go. See if we can defeat the boss. By the way, I'm really sorry I haven't been posting. If you have any ideas that I could add to this game, please put in the comment section below. Okay, there. Boss 1 is defeated. And now he spawns in. So here's what we're gonna make. So we're gonna make it so when he's shooting the lightning bolt, he's gonna enter this animation. To do that, we have to do this. Wait 1 second. Repeat 3 times. It's gonna. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a switch. When it starts, it's gonna switch costume to number 1. Then it's gonna repeat 3 times. Okay, switch costume to costume 1. Then I'm gonna wait 1 second. Taco wizard. No, actually no, wait. No. This is the normal, this is the second. And that might work. Let's see this. Nope. Why is that? So when it starts, it's gonna do it, then we're going to time. Wait 1 second. That should, now let's see this. Okay, that's a problem. It spawns in for a millisecond. So let's try to fix that. What if we just did that instead? Doom. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that works. The only problem is that we have to make it one. Wait. Yeah, that should work. Boom. So then, now that everything's working well, I'm gonna make it so that when the boss defeats itself, it's gonna go into phase 2. Phase 2, I'm gonna make a taco. This will be phase 2, and I'm gonna create like he's just gonna for phase 2. He's gonna be his normal state. Then he's gonna Okay, it's gonna be like this. Then, like, he's gonna get his arms. I'm just gonna delete this. Delete this. Wait, why am I copying this? I can just. You're gonna put his hands up in the air, and he's gonna start making lightning bolts fall. Like in the real Cuphead game, the onion cries and um then makes water drops fall. So for this dude, I'm gonna make it when he's click. I'm gonna change this code. So I'm just gonna change this, and yeah. So if boss health is also one that's gonna hide. When clicked, it's not gonna show. When it clicked, it's gonna hide actually. And I'm gonna just delete this code, except for this one. It's instead of going to this position, I'm gonna make him go. Wait, actually no. Wait, let me go back. And it's gonna receive over here in the first one. It's gonna broadcast message one. A new message called phase 2. Okay, at phase 2, then we're gonna go to Taco 2. When it receives um we're gonna make it when I receive phase 2. It's gonna set the boss up to 300, and it's gonna first it's gonna go to here. It's gonna wait, move here. Then it's gonna go to where it was before. Then it's gonna glide to the center area. So it's gonna where's the glide? Glide for 2 seconds. Wait, actually no. It's gonna glide for 2 seconds to x0 negative 33, and I'm gonna keep this for later. I'm just one click, and I'm gonna go to. I can just stop. Okay, let's test it out. So it should be hidden. Okay. Okay, there. That's not. Oh, I know what went wrong here. It has to show. Okay, so I'm gonna restart it. I'm just gonna go to his house 2. Okay, I'm just gonna start it. Click that. There, good. I was gonna be moving here. Good. Okay, that's working. By the way, I just realized that with the first boss, it doesn't make it so that when it's touching the player, it takes damage. So let's fix that. To do that, we have to go to our character again, and we're gonna get an if touching over here. Then we're gonna actually no, that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to go over here and get in this forever block. We're gonna make if it's touching the player. Then it's gonna wait 1 second, then repeat until not touching the player. Wait 1 second and change health by -1. And now I'm just gonna get this. I'm gonna duplicate the. Wait, actually, no. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna put into the toggle too, but I'm gonna make it only after it goes to this. I'm gonna make a start phase 2 variable. Wait, is this boss health variable? Wait, actually, no. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to the over here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go over here. Then we're gonna get once it does this, then it's gonna start phase 2. Oh wait, it sets start phase 2 to 1. I'm gonna duplicate this when it starts. Gonna set phase 2 to 0, and then over here in a separate script, when I receive this, wait until phase 2 start phase 2 is equal to 1. And then this happens. What this does is so that when I start the game, I'm just gonna defeat him real quick, shouldn't take long. Also, I'm gonna have to hide that variable. By the way, if you ever make a Cuphead game yourself, put it in the comments below and I'll check your game out. There. Now that Starface 2 is equal to 1, now we can take damage from this guy. Wait a minute. Okay, sec. Let me just stop. Go to this. Wait, I'm just gonna set boss health to 2, and I'm just gonna keep it here for everyone to escape. Okay. That means, do we take damage while touching him? No. That means that the player can get to the other side. Good, good, good. That's all well. That's all well. Um, now that we did that, we can go to this and actually start the boss. Actually start the boss. So we're gonna make it. So here's what we're gonna do. It's gonna switch costume to Taco Wizard 2. Then it's gonna then after that it's gonna move slightly down. So I'm gonna change it like that. It's just gonna, actually no. Yeah, it's gonna move down to this position. So it's gonna go to 0, -50. 1 second. There. Okay. Then it's gonna spawn. And it's gonna broadcast. Then it's gonna broadcast lightning turn or electricity. After that, it's gonna forever. No. 1 second. Let me go to this, dude. What did I do again? Forever. Yeah, forever. So forever. Wait. Say just try 0.5 seconds, and then it's gonna create a clone of lightning. And instead of doing turn lightning, I'm just gonna erase that. I'm gonna make a lightning state. Okay. So when he starts, he's gonna he's gonna set lightning state to 1. Yeah, sorry. Um, it's gonna set lightning state to 1. And when it starts as a clone, if lightning state is equal to, where's that? Equal to 1. I'm gonna have to make a show. If lightning state is equal to 1, then it's gonna set, where's the point in direction? 0, which is he's pointing in right now. But if it's touching lightning state 2, then it's gonna point in direction. But if this is pointing in that direction, it's gonna point in that direction, and it's gonna it starts clone. Let me check this. I'm gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna move it here. Wait, what? No. Okay. And I'm gonna make a go-to block here. First, I'm gonna change this y by -5. Wait, no, -10. Yeah, -10. And it's gonna be because it's gonna be going down, and it's gonna go to the y is gonna be let's see, let's make it spawn here, and that y is 169, so it's about 100 more than this, maybe more. And it's gonna go to x. What is that? From x to, one sec, where is that? X is gonna be negative 241 and 2, and it's gonna be, then we're gonna get the, move that back. We need the lightning bolt to this, which is -78. Actually, we're gonna make a if else block in here. Remove this out of the if else block. If pick random 1 and 2, pick random 1 and 2 equals 1. That means it can either spawn on either side. Equals 1, then it's gonna do that. Else, it's gonna go to pick random. Wait, what's okay? Check, I did something wrong. What'd I do here? I think I meant to do this. -78. Yeah. -78. From pause, now it's gonna pick random from 78 to positive 241. Then it's gonna do that, touching peak or edge, and yeah, and we go back to this guy. We're gonna go forever. Wait here for a second. Please spread 2, and that should be working. Let's see this. And we already found a problem. Its rotation is wrong. Okay, what lightning state is it in? This one's gonna set lightning state to 1. Taco 2 is gonna set lightning state to 2. 2. Go back to this. Let's try this. Okay, if that doesn't work, let's try a 90-degree angle. Or is that going to be pointing in that direction? Nope, that's working. If a 90-degree angle is pointing in that direction, then a 0-degree angle is pointing up there. And I've noticed that we made a mistake, so There. There we go. Now the game should be working like we want. By the way, in the next video, I might have a character change to something else. It won't change the game at all. It just might change like the size of the things. I'll show you all that in the next video. Okay, let's wait for this. When is it gonna go on phase 2? Also, in the next video, I might add like a what happens when he goes into phase 2. Okay, now he's in phase 2. Should Why is he not spawning them? It says he's spawning them, but it doesn't seem like it. Let's see what the problem is here. Also, I realized that over here said, where is it? The thing that I'm gonna get this from I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna put in this and change it to make it if touching the coconut over here in this code. That means I can also get that and put it into the same one over here when I receive phase 2. And we still don't know why the lightning isn't spawning. So let's examine the code. Over here it says wait 0.5 seconds and create a clone sprite 2. Sprite 2 is over there. And lightning state 2. Is it just like not showing? In that case, I see. Then it's gonna go. I see the problem here. Because it says until touching edge. And when it spawns, it's going to be touching the edge. So we're going to do this. It's going to repeat until it's either touching the ground. Now that should work. Now let me just go set the boss out to 2. Bop. Okay, phase 2. Oh, yes. Yeah, they're just a little fast. So in that case, let's try -5. And let's set the size to a teensy bit smaller than 100%. No, I mean 60%. So we're going to go 40%. Let's try that. Go over here. Set boss health 2. Okay. Okay, I just realized that you can do that. I'm gonna change the size of the ground. They're dodgeable. And okay. Okay, for the end of this video, I'm gonna over here make it slightly longer. Okay. Now, always remember to save your project and try again. And that's it for this video. Bye bye.